What is the most important thing when it comes to grabbing the attention of your target market? Definitely the answer is headline. Okay, you need to write a engaging, attention grabbing headline if you really want to grab the attention of your target market. So in today's video, I am going to give you a framework that will help you to craft an high converting engaging headline for your target market, and you can use this headline in your ads, in your landing pages, and even you can use this headline as a hook in your videos as well. So let's just dive deep into the video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I'm a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to give you the right strategies, tactics, and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels so that you can build and grow your digital coaching and consulting business, and together we can achieve our goal of living the life of freedom and abundance. Okay, so let's just talk about writing a attention grabbing headline. So what I'm going to do actually, the first thing that I want to share with you is the in this video is high converting headline writing framework. Okay, this is what the main thing that I'm going to share with you in today's video. So this is a framework that will help you a lot, and you will have a very much clarity about writing the headline if you know this framework, because this is a very easy to use framework, but you have to do some preparation before you will be able to write the headline. Okay, and you know really well that how important the headline is. Okay, if you are especially in this channel and in my community, we have the people and I'm actually building in the community of the people who are like who want to become digital coaches, and we are using funnel marketing to build this digital coaching business and to sell our products and services. Okay, so if you are someone who is trying to build this business, and you have created some landing page, you have created some you have started running some ad, or maybe you are just creating content. Okay, and you are struggling to write the headlines, so this framework can help you a lot. So let's just talk about it, that what this framework is all about and how you can use this framework to write the headline which grabs the attention of the people. Okay, so the first component, let's just talk about the components of this high converting headlines. Okay, so let's just talk about what are those components, because before writing the headline we have to figure it out, these components, and when you write down all these components, then the writing headline will be a breeze, and you will be able to write it very quickly, and it will have a lot of clarity to the target market. Okay, everyone who will read the headlines will be able to qualify or disqualify himself or herself, that whether it is for them or not. Okay, so let's just talk about it, what this framework is all about. So the first thing, that the first component that you need to figure out when you are crafting an engaging headline, that the framework that I'm sharing with you is end result. Okay, what is the end result that you are promising, that you want to deliver to your target market? Okay, this is very important. You have to write down the end result, exactly that what is that end result. It could be generating leads, generating x number of leads, generating it could be selling high converting offers. It could be losing uh, 10 pounds of weight. Okay, it could be anything. Okay, so the big promise, the promise that you are that you will deliver. Okay, so the end result you have to very clear about it, and you have to write it down. Okay, so once you have written down the end promise, let's just talk about the second component. The second component is time frame. Okay, what is the time frame in which you are going to deliver this result? Okay, this is very important, because when you give the specific time frame, it helps a lot to your target market to understand, okay, how much time it will take for me to get the result. And it's very important, because people want the results fast, and if you give the time frame in your headline itself, they will be able to like self qualify them, okay, whether I want this thing or not, okay. And if you are, if you will promise something which is looking very attractive, definitely they will pay attention to it. So it's very important that you give the you have the clarity about the time frame in which you can actually deliver the results, okay. So just you have to write it down, the time frame in which the you are going to deliver the results. Then third component is the biggest objection or the things they don't want to do. You have to write down one thing which is the biggest objection, or which is the thing that they actually don't want to do to get this desired result, okay. They want this result, okay, they want this result, but they don't want to do this one thing, okay. This is the one thing with the biggest objection that they don't want to do, and you have to write down that objection, okay. Now let's just see the fourth thing, which is method and tool. Which method or tool you are going to use to deliver the result, okay. So you have to talk about it, you have to name it, okay. What is the name of that method, what is the name of that strategy, what is the name of that tool which you are going to use to deliver this end result. You have to write down the name of that method, tool, or the framework that you are using to get the result, okay. So these are the four things, and let's just talk about the fifth component and the last component of this high converting headline. So the last component is target market, okay. You have to write down your target market. Your target market could be working professional, your target market could be doctors, your target market could be entrepreneurs, your target market could be students, okay. So you have to clearly write it down, who is your target market, okay. So these are the 5 main components that you need to write down before you will be able to craft this headline, that I'm talking about. So you will write the end result, for example, losing 10 pounds. You will write the time frame, for example, let's say in next 20 days. You will write down the biggest objection, for example, let's say they actually don't want to do the exercise, or they don't want to wake up early in the morning for the workout, okay. It could be anything. So, or they don't want to just skip their favorite food, okay. So it could be any objection that you think. And fourth, method, okay. So what methodology you are using, okay. It could be intermittent fasting, it could be keto, it could be through calorie tracking, okay. What is the method, what is the tool you are using to do this, to deliver this end result of losing weight. And the last thing is target market. Who is your target market? The target market, it could be working women, it could be men who are 30 years or more, okay. So it could be any target market that you are targeting for your business, okay. So as a coach, as a consultant, you should have these clarity about these things. And when you have the clarity about these things will not only help you to craft an engaging headline, but these things are also helps you to write the engaging copy. And whenever you are writing your emails, your copy, your sales video, you will use these components, and you will sprinkle these components in your copy, in your communication, so that your audience will be able to connect, okay. Because this is what they want, this is the end result they want, the time frame, the biggest objection that they have, the methodology, the market. So everything is very, very important when it comes to writing, when it comes to communicating with your ideal customers, okay. As a coach, as a consultant, it's very, very important, okay. So as now we have cracked down everything, and now we know these 5 components. Let's just see what is the framework, okay. So let's just talk about the framework. So the framework is this, okay. This is the framework. You will craft your headline like discover, how to, then you will put the end result here, okay. Everything in bracket. You will replace it with the thing that you have written down. So you will replace this with your end result. So discover how to, then you will write end result. In, then you will write the time frame. Then you, without, you will write the thing that they don't want to do. And then with, you will write down the tool or the method, okay, which you are using to get this result. This is the framework. And one more thing that you need to do is you have to call your target market. So let me just add that thing here. You have to use this thing, attention, and then you will call out your target market, okay. Call out your target market, okay. This is what you will do. You will call out your target market, and then okay, let me just zoom out a little bit because it's yeah. So yeah, okay. So as you can see, right, okay, let me just do one thing here. Yeah, okay, now it's all sorted. So this is the framework that you will use to write the headline. So let's just see the example, okay. What is the example? So this is the example that you can see fits into this particular thing really well, that I have written down. So I discover how to, then you, I will replace the end result, generate 100 qualified leads, then the time frame in next 7 days, okay, without, okay, without, then after that the thing that they don't want to do is spending money on ads, okay, they don't want to spend money on ads. So without spending money on ads, then with, and then you will use the method. So Facebook attraction marketing, Facebook attraction marketing is the method that we are using here, okay. And one thing that you have to do also is, before, above this headline, you have to write one more thing, which is attention, okay. This thing that I was talking about in the previous slide. So attention, and then you will talk about your target market. So it could be, suppose, affiliate marketers, okay. The target market is affiliate marketers, suppose. So what I will say, okay, this is how it looks, okay. You will write this headline, you will say, attention affiliate marketers, discover how to generate 100 qualified leads in next 7 days without spending money on ads. Yeah, without spending I would say any money on ads, with Facebook attraction marketing, okay. So this is the headline, which will, first thing it is doing, it is qualifying the target market, okay. Only the people who are affiliate marketers will find it interesting, because I'm calling the target market. Second thing, the end result, okay. So if they want 100 qualified leads, definitely they will give the attention to it. It's a 7-day period, okay. So I have given the time frame in which they can get this end result. I have given the objection, okay, they don't have the money or they don't want to spend money on ads. So I have given the biggest objection that they are facing right now, or the thing that they don't want to do, they don't want to spend money on ads. And then finally I've given the methodology, okay. I'm using Facebook attraction marketing, so they are going to get the result with Facebook attraction marketing. So this is how you will write this engaging headline. It's a framework. This is the framework. You can take the screenshot or you can write it down somewhere. This is how you will write the engaging headline for your landing pages, for your ads, or even you can use this same headline when you are creating content and talking about start your video. You can use this headline as a hook as well, okay. So this is how it works. And you can replace this word discover with the word learn as well. Learn how to is also can be used sometimes, but one thing that I have learned from one of my mentor, Pang Jun, is because I followed a lot of marketers across the world who are doing really great in this space, and in one of his mastermind, I actually learned this thing that instead of using the word learn, discover is more uh, attention grabbing word, because it creates a little bit of curiosity that you are going to discover something new. Okay, so that is why this word is powerful. It's a power word. And if you use the word learn, it actually a little bit painful term, because people generally don't want to learn. Okay, they don't want to like, and they don't want to learn. Actually, they want to discover the things which are interesting. Okay, so the word discover is very, I would say, the engaging and very curiosity based word. So you can use this, and you can also test sometimes the word learn in place of discover, and see that which one is converting better. So for that, there are methods like A/B testing and all. These are some advanced stuffs, and I keep talking about these things in my channel on the regular basis. So if you are interested to learn about funnel marketing and various things like how to build funnels, how to drive traffic, how to run ads, and how to create content. As a coach, as a consultant, to attract the right people into your community, then just you can subscribe my channel. Just press that red button, subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the future videos. And I have tons of videos related to the topic funnel marketing and digital coaching. Sorry. So just you can see the videos are flashing on the screen. Just tap the video, just tap the card, and just watch any of the video. You will find it really useful. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you find the video really useful. Hit the like button and share it. Thank you very much.